Exercise number 1, Kneeling Band Lat Pulldown. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Kneel under a resistance band anchored overhead. Grab the band with both hands and pull your elbows down toward your ribs. Squeeze your lats at the bottom, then slowly return with control. Exercise number 2, Dumbbell Romanian Deadlift. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Hold dumbbells in front of your thighs. Hinge at your hips, pushing them back while keeping your back straight. Lower until you feel a hamstring stretch, then drive your hips forward to stand tall. Exercise number 3, Cable Seated Row. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Sit tall and grab the cable handle. Pull it toward your waist while squeezing your shoulder blades together. Control the movement as you extend your arms back out. Exercise number 4, Cable Face Pull. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Set the cable at face height and grab the rope attachment. Pull it toward your face with elbows high and wide. Squeeze your rear delts and upper back before returning slowly. Exercise number 5, Barbell Incline Row. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Lie chest down on an incline bench holding a barbell. Pull the bar toward your lower chest while keeping elbows close. Lower slowly and maintain tension in your back. Exercise number 6, Barbell Curl. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Stand tall holding the barbell with palms facing up. Curl the bar toward your chest while keeping elbows still. Squeeze your biceps at the top and lower with control.